Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing this lovely shaker card using the Memorable Blooms bundle. That's a side view. It kind of has a tint on the top, I called it. And then plenty of room for you to write. Here is the stamp set. Here are the dies. I use this one in particular for today's card. So let's get started. Here are all the pieces that you're going to need. Card base 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 1 1/4, 2.5, 5.5. The tent card is 3 5/8 by 8, scored at 4. A piece of window sheet that I cut out with those dies, and a coordinating cardstock one that holds. So this one is just the outside frame, and this one is both frames. DSP 3 5/8 by 3 3/4, 2 pieces of DSP that measures 5 1/4 by 1, a piece of basic white 2 3/4 by 5 1/4, and a DSP 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. If you're wondering, the DSP is called Serene Love, and it has multiple sheets of Old Olive, Lost Lagoon, and Night of Navy, all different designs. So I tried to mix and match them. So we'll start with gluing this piece on top of the window sheet. That's cut. So on the back side, we'll put some glue. I think next time I'm going to try some adhesive sheets. I haven't done that. And remember, this dries clear, so it's okay that it's a little oozing off. It'll dry clear. Alright, and it matches perfectly because you use the same exact dye to do both. And I'll show that while it dries. So drop that on. Make sure the edges line up. I'm going to set that aside. While that is drying, I'll show you what I mean by, so using this this for the window sheet, but using both of these dies together for the colored cardstock, and that'll cut out that piece that we just glued on there. Alright, so let me get the measurements out of the way. And we'll start gluing, adhering the DSP on here. So we'll start with this piece, and you want to fold it mountain, valley, mountain, like that. These two pieces are going to, here's my Stampin' Plus T for top to remind me. We're going to go on the two pieces here, just enough to frame them. Same on this side. Then this piece is, I think it's a little too big. Let me cut this down. What did I say it was? 2 3/4? Yes, 2 3/4. I think I was off by a little bit. 2 3/4. And you can use either side, this side or this side. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this. The florals are nice. So get that ready. Get your tent card ready. Fold that in half also. And then put this on here. It's nice to be able to do that while it's drying. Oh, I could have done the other side too. Do I want the other side? Yeah, I'll keep it. This one will go inside. And I don't know if you've done shaker cards before, but this is a fun one. So this is pretty much dry. I'm going to flip this over. You can see some of the glue. I'll smush it in a little bit. There you go. And then, where is my, these are the foam strips. So all you need is a foam strip. And you just need to line it up along the edges. I like to do a little snip at the corners, and then it just easy to turn. There. There. I think I was hoping that one strip would be enough, but it's not, and that's okay. It's one of my favorite pieces to buy are the foam strips, and for shaker cards and just for giving dimension. It's like barely, look at that. Just need a little bit more. So I just like to cut a little piece off. And that should fit, because you want it tight to hold whatever bits are shaken. Okay. Did that just lift? Nope. Okay. So basically you're forming it like this, or you can go like this, whatever. I think I'm going to do it at the bottom. But you're going to put your shaker bits in here first. So oops, one escaped right underneath. These are a combination of, I think, sequins and bits. I'll get that closed so it doesn't. All right, and then you're going to release. Press this down. Release all the papers here. Even the little bits right there, that tiny one right there. Oops. There we go. All right. Nope, I lost a bit here. I'm going to spread them out a little bit so they don't stack too high. You get stuck when you do that. Try to center that in there. And that's it. So I'm going to fold this up, and then all I need is adhesive on the back side and the front side. So fold this all up. Make sure the fold start with the back part to line up with the back, corner to corner, I think. Or I could do, let's see, I'll leave a little margin. So let's do this much. That way it's not completely centered. And the easiest way to do this is just flatten this and flatten that. And that way when it pops up, did I do that right? I think so. There we go. To make sure that it fits into your card. There you go. So it doesn't completely flatten. There you go, but it does fit in the envelope flat. So what do you think? Do you like the Lost Lagoon one? Or do you like the Night of Navy one? Torn. Alright, thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like this, please like, share, and comment. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get many, many more video tutorials such as this. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.